Welcome to my channel French Pulse. Let's enjoy learning French. Today we are going to revise les adjectifs interrogatifs. This is a quick recap on les adjectifs interrogatifs, that is interrogative adjectives. So what are the interrogative adjectives? They are quel. This is masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, feminine plural. What does it mean? It means which or what. Now it agrees with the noun it modifies. Let's take an example. Quel roman achètes-tu? Which novel are you buying? So roman is masculine and singular. So we're using QUEL, which is masculine singular form. Quelle chemise achètes-tu? Which dress are you buying? Chemise is feminine and singular, and so we use QUELLE. So it agrees with the noun that it modifies. Now the only verb that separates quel from its noun is the verb être. So quel est votre prénom? Quel. Prénom is masculine and singular. What is your name? So QUEL, we use the masculine singular form. And adresse is feminine singular. Quelle est votre adresse? So QUELLE, we are using the feminine singular form. So these are the two main points to remember. Of course, you need to learn the gender of the nouns. If you don't know the gender of the nouns, it is difficult to do this exercise. So again, it agrees with the noun it modifies, and the only verb that can separate quel from its noun is the verb être. Let us look at a few examples. Let's look at some examples. Quel âge as-tu? Âge is masculine and singular, so we are using QUEL. Quelle est la profession de ton frère? So profession is feminine and singular, so we're using QUELLE. Remember, we said the only verb that is permitted to be between the interrogative adjective and the noun is the verb être. So what is the profession of your brother? Quelle heure est-il? What is the time? Heure is feminine and singular, so we're using QUELLE. Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? What's the weather like today? Temps is masculine and singular, so we're using QUEL. Quelle est la nationalité de ton prof? What is the nationality of your professor? Nationality is feminine and singular, so we use QUELLE. Quel roman aimes-tu lire? Which novels do you like to read? Roman is masculine and plural, so we are using QUELS. This was a quick recap on les adjectifs interrogatifs. The description box will have a link to a quiz on the same. It will also have a link to the other videos on the same topic in details. It will also have a link to my Padlet as well as my website. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Au revoir et à bientôt.